Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to edit attendance sessions. The first thing you're going to want to do is access CourseKey, click on Management, and click on Courses. Next, you want to select the course that's applicable. Here is where you can find all the attendance sessions. If one attendance session is incorrect, what you can do is delete the attendance session. If all the attendance sessions need to be updated or corrected, what you can do is click on this little screw icon in the top right corner and click delete all select scheduled attendances and click delete. This will delete all but the active one, which is the one for today. You can delete this one as well if you would like to. Next, what you're going to want to do is schedule these attendances. So what you can do is click on the screw icon and click schedule attendances. Now you will be able to enter in the dates that you would like included, the days, and the times. But let's say that we have two different schedules going on. Let's say that this course meets Mondays and Wednesdays from 8 to 5. So let's do this. And the course ends on 11/11/2024. We can click schedule. Now, let's say I want to add the second schedule, which is, let's say, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, starting today until 11/11/2024. But this schedule is a half day. So let's make this class start at 12 noon and go to 5 o'clock. Next, we can click schedule. Now we have all the scheduled attendances in here with the two different schedules. If you only have one schedule, you can just add the one schedule. Now everything should be correct. Let me know if you have any questions.